Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm gonna show you one of my go-to eye looks, a look that I'm wearing really often when I'm not filming. So I wanted to show you, and the first thing I always do is prime my eyelids. I'm taking the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is like my favorite eyeshadow primer, but I do have to mention, when I just do my makeup and I'm not filming, sometimes I also just use concealer all over my eyelid. I'm not really focused like on how perfect my eyeshadow looks. I don't really care, to be honest. So most of the time I'm just using concealer. But for my videos, I want to like make it look as perfect as possible, and for that I really like the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So I'm gonna play with this gorgeous palette today. I will put the name in the description bar. I think it has a lot of beautiful colors, which I think suit really nicely with my eye color. It has like a lot of warm shades. It also has a beautiful blue color, which I think is nice for if you ever want to like do something crazy. But most of the time when I'm doing my makeup off camera, I go for like really warm colors because I have like blue eyes with a little bit of green, and I feel like colors like orangey brown shades, they just look best with my eye color. So those are typically like the colors that I'm going for. So I went in with this light brown shade and I'm starting with blending this all over my crease. I'm using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush and I'm just blending it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, really trying to like blend as much as I can, and also to kind of warm up the whole crease. And to darken it up, I'm taking a shade which is a little bit darker and I feel like has a little bit more of an orangey undertone. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm still using that Sigma E40 brush and I'm blending it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. And I think so far it's already looking really warm and brown, and that's what I love when it comes to eyeshadow. So I just continue to do this until I find like that there's enough eyeshadow on the crease. And you can either go like for a shimmery shade on the eyelid, but you can also go for like a matte color. If you have like eyeshadow like I have right now, you can go like a lot of different ways. But I wanted it to be a little bit more darker, so I went in with the darkest color in the palette, which is matte, and I'm just blending a little bit of that as well in my outer V area, and also a little bit more towards my crease to darken up the whole crease basically. But I switched to a tinier brush, just this way it will be a little bit lower than the other colors, so you can still see those brown shades kind of peeking right above it. So now I'm taking this light shade and I'm gonna apply a little bit of that in the inner corner area. I'm gonna create a sort of ombre on the eyelid using shimmery shades that come in the palette. So this is the first color that I apply in the inner corner. And then when I'm done with this, I'm gonna take the next color, which is this more reddish bronzy color. It's really beautiful. And first I used a brush and then later I'm switching to my finger. I feel like this shade doesn't have like a lot of color payoff. Well, it does have color payoff, but it's not like super metallic the way that I wanted it to be, even though it does look great. But I was expecting it to be like really like a foiled eyeshadow, if you know what I mean. But if I look at my eyes right now, I do think it looks really stunning, but I wish it was a little bit more shimmery. So now I'm going to use this eyeliner from Maybelline, and I'm going to use that to create a wing today. Normally, I always go in with a gel eyeliner, but I wanted to do something different today. And also, whenever I'm not filming, I always grab a liquid liner. That's also one of the reasons why I wanted to use this eyeliner. Like, I'm the type of girl, like, I film videos as my work, so whenever I'm doing my makeup when I don't work, I don't want to like spend too much time because that makes it feel like I'm working, and sometimes I don't want to feel like I'm working. You know what I mean? So I want to be a little bit more quick. I want things to be done really fast and easy. So that's why I pick a liquid liner. I think it's a little bit more easier and quicker. So then for my waterline, I use the pencil from Morphe, and then underneath the lower lash line, I'm gonna kind of press this brown color like as tight as possible against the waterline. This is the flat diviner brush from Sigma, which is one of my favorite brushes. I think I use it in almost every video. And then to blend it out, I'm gonna take this lighter brown color, which we use in the crease, and I'm just taking a really tiny pencil brush and I'm just smudging this color all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner underneath the eyes, and just smudging it all out. Then for my mascara, I use the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, coating a thin coat at the upper lashes. I'm going in with fake eyelashes, so I'm not really focused too much at the upper lashes. But I do focus really on the lower lashes because those are a lot longer than my upper lashes. And since I'm wearing fake eyelashes and these are always a lot longer, I want to kind of keep it in balance. So for this, I'm taking the Minnie Lashes, which is a collaboration from Dose of Colors and Disney, which I think is super cool. And I'm going to use these lashes because I feel like they're not too dramatic. I think they suit my eye shape really well. And since I use the Benefit Cosmetics mascara, I feel like it just makes my lower lashes super long, and this way the lashes and the lower lashes, they're just kind of in balance. So yeah, this is already the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!